All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you happen to be viewing this video. I welcome you guys back to class, obviously in a very different setting, but luckily that we are all used to Google Classroom for this class in particular, since that was what we were using when we were meeting in the classroom. So I'm just going to go over a couple of first steps for what you guys should be doing in this class right now. So I'm on our Google Classroom stream. I'm using third period as an example, but all of my classes will be set up the exact same way. You guys should, if you're viewing this video, be looking at this this announcement that I've yet to post, but it will be attached to this announcement, so I'm going to go ahead and go over it. Just a reminder, you should be checking your stream every day. We'll go over the expectations, but the stream is where you're going to see announcements from me. Also, anytime that I post an assignment, it should also go into the stream, but I will try to make sure my daily announcements are available at the top, but go ahead and make sure you scroll through and see anything that may be new that day. Okay, so it'll say please check the video out below, which you will be doing if you're watching this. Also, check out our class Flipgrid. So this is something that we'll be utilizing for not only our intro today, but also in the future for certain written assignments. I may have an option to record a video instead, like our first assignment, that will be an option. So essentially what happens on Flipgrid is I will assign a discussion topic. For today, it's going to be say hello. So you would say you're going to record a short video saying hello and sharing something fun that you've been doing over the past 2 weeks. This is just a way to invite us to all participate in this and feel a little bit more connected. So you guys will be able to see each other's posts, and it'll kind of be like you get to see your classmates again. Obviously it's moderated because I don't want anything inappropriate to go up, and we'll go over what is and what isn't appropriate on our expectations video, which you guys will look at soon. So yeah, go ahead and do that for today. And then a quick reminder to join our classes Remind group if you haven't already. So I only have about 16 out of 150 students that have joined. I posted the link a week or so ago. This is critical to our communication with each other during this time. You can always contact me through your student email, and we'll also talk about communication protocols. But I will be sending out reminders not only through Google Classroom, but through Remind. So there are 2 ways to join Remind. You can either download the app and join with this class code, ACF666. I didn't create that code. It's an automated code. I tried to change it. It wouldn't let me. So that's the class code. Or you can text @ ACF666 to the number 81010. I believe at that point it sends you a link to either download the app, or I do know that you can choose to receive through the updates through text as well. So in case you don't have capabilities of downloading the app or you don't feel like it, I don't believe you have to, because I'm pretty sure that you can get text notifications without joining the app. But don't quote me on that. So, in summary, your first steps are going to be, number 1, join our Remind group, our classroom on Remind. I will send out an update about this announcement to the students who are already joined, and I will be sending out updates probably, if not daily, every other day on there about updates to assignments and just the class in general. Go ahead and post over on our Flipgrid board our discussion to say hello, tell me something fun you've been doing, make it fun and interesting. Number 3, you are going to review the info section in the Distance Learning Start Here section on the classwork tab. I'll show you that in a second. Number 4, you'll do the daily bell ringer. This is how we're going to take attendance for you guys. This week, I know we're being very flexible because we don't know everybody's situation. Everyone's still getting used to it. So we will be flexible, but make sure that you get them done. Essentially, they pretty much said have you do it by the end of the week. And I can go back and adjust attendance on SIS to reflect that you did it. After that, go ahead and number 5, review and start on your first assignment. That'll be the Netiquette assignment. So numbers 3 through 5, you're going to be able to find on the classwork tab. I highly suggest anytime you're doing any work that you click on the classwork tab to get there. It's a lot more organized than this stream. This stream will just post it by the time, like in order of the time chronologically that I posted it. This one is in order of when it is actually going to be posted. So you aren't going to see all the bell ringers until the day of. I'm not going to post them until the day of, the morning of. I'll be posting them at 7 o'clock in the morning. So you can work on it at any point after that. So first you'll be looking here. You're going to want to view our expectations and communication guidelines for the class. And then you're going to want to review the Netiquette guidelines as well. The Netiquette guidelines will be what your first assignment is on. And inside the assignment, I will have a video going over what you're expected to do. I'll also be putting videos on every single link that you see here to explain clearly what you guys are supposed to be doing. So we'll talk about expectations and communication guidelines. There'll also be a video attached here by the time that this is posted. Same for Netiquette. Same for each of the bell ringers. Inside the bell ringer, there will be a video posted telling you how you're going to answer the questions for that day. Giving any kind of instructions. Right now, the art show poster project is on hold until further notice. As you guys, most of you don't have Photoshop at home, and I haven't heard any more on being able to get you guys Photoshop, but I will keep you updated on that. So at that point, that's going to be on hold. Aside from that, if you have any other questions, make sure that you look over your expectation and communication guides. That will tell you how you are expected to behave, and how you guys can reach out to me. I highly suggest the first line of contact with me is going to be through that Remind app, so go ahead and get that downloaded or send that text so that you can be a part of it. I will see you guys shortly whenever you click into your expectation communication guidelines, and we'll go over that from there. So I hope you guys are all safe. I hope you all are enjoying your time at home. And I am excited to get back to work with you guys. Alright, I'll see you over there in the expectations.